Hi guys, it's me Owen again, and we are going to be making a fortune teller. And if you don't know what a fortune teller is, then just give me 1 second. This is a fortune teller. So you put numbers on the outsides and then you put fortunes in the insides. It's pretty easy actually, and you kind of move it like this. Put the four fingers under here. So we should get into folding. Origami sheet of paper, square, fold the top down to the bottom. And then unfold it so that the crease is going upwards, and fold the top to the bottom. Then you should have this. Then what you want to do is you want to bring the corner into the center and do that on every single corner. And if you ever need help on a part, I'm not going to say this on all my videos, but I might, I don't know. Always ask a parent if you need help. Then when you have all the folds in together, flip it over. Now you want to fold all the tips to the center. So you want to find where it is. Then you should have all of them in the center. Then what you want to do is you want to flip it back over, and then you kind of want to open every single one of these. Open. So basically what you want to do, so you want to have it on the side with the flaps, not the sides with the squares, the side with the points. And you just kind of want to push. You kind of want to push here and here, 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 here. So you just kind of want to. This is a really hard part. Just saying. Just push in the middle and then put your fingers in the pockets. And then push in the middle again and put your thumb. And then keep pushing. So let me try that again. And then, so it was like this, but all you gotta do is you gotta push in the middle, put your finger in the pocket, and then you go, and then you'll get this. And always ask a parent for this help if you ever need help. Then squish. And then just squish the bottom creases to make them a little bit stronger. And then you got yourself a fortune teller. So you guys are probably wondering, how did you get that? How did you know how to make that? Well, first of all, I had a friend who made these, and then with origami paper, and then I just kind of had to remember a little. And then I was like in my room getting dressed for school because I have school today. And I'm just making a quick video, and I was like, Dad, I'm gonna try and make a fortune teller. And then he was like, okay, try it. And I tried it, and then I fold it half, make the two corners into the middle, flip it over, do all the steps. And I actually did it. And if you hear that in the background, it's probably someone's, I think it's in Home Alone. So I got myself a fortune teller. And the next video, I am going to be making just 1 minute. I am going to be making this paper airplane. It flies, well, no, not that one actually. Let's go. I don't have an extra of the world's record paper airplane, but I will be making the world's record next time. Well, we'll see you next time. Goodbye.